GetIntent Honest Review. Watch before using. GetIntent is an AI-driven platform designed to streamline programmatic advertising, promising advertisers advanced automation, transparency, and performance analytics to optimize their campaigns. For those unfamiliar, GetIntent is essentially an all-in-one solution that handles ad buying, audience targeting, and real-time bidding, RTB, making it particularly appealing to digital marketers, agencies, and brands focused on maximizing ad reach while minimizing costs. The platform's standout features start with its user-friendly interface, which allows advertisers to manage multiple campaigns effortlessly. Its dashboard provides a real-time overview of ad performance, letting users adjust budget allocations, targeting options, and bid strategies on the fly. Essential for quick adjustments in fast-paced industries. One key aspect that sets GetIntent apart is its emphasis on transparency and data privacy, ensuring that advertisers know exactly where their ads are appearing and have control over which publishers they engage with. This feature is particularly relevant for businesses prioritizing brand safety and compliance with data protection regulations like GDPR. Another strength is GetIntent's targeting capabilities, which leverage machine learning algorithms to optimize ad placement based on behavioral insights and demographic data. This advanced targeting allows advertisers to reach specific audience segments with high precision, boosting engagement rates and, ideally, ROI. For those managing cross-channel campaigns, GetIntent also supports display, video, mobile, and native ads, giving brands the flexibility to reach users across various digital platforms. Additionally, the platform's built-in analytics are robust, offering detailed reports on metrics like click-through rate, CTR, viewability, and conversions. These insights help advertisers refine their strategies over time, making it possible to scale up successful campaigns and reallocate budgets from underperforming ones. While GetIntent has many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. The platform's AI-driven features, while powerful, may have a bit of a learning curve for those who are new to programmatic advertising. Also, smaller businesses with limited ad budgets may find it less cost-effective compared to simpler ad platforms, especially since the platform's main strengths shine in larger, more complex campaigns where fine-tuning is crucial. In summary, GetIntent is well-suited for advertisers and agencies with a strong focus on programmatic and data-driven advertising, looking to optimize their reach and targeting through AI. However, for small businesses or beginners, it might require a deeper commitment to master. If your goal is to run comprehensive, data-driven campaigns with full control and transparency, GetIntent offers a compelling toolset that can make a real difference in your advertising efforts.